everyone. I thought I'd have some fun today with a lonely little Christmas tree. I'm sure you know what I'm referring to, as it was one of my favorite holiday cartoons. I'm using my Artisto pad for this. It's at 140-pound cold press. And let's go ahead and just have some fun with this. All right. I'm going to start first, and I'm using my 8-round. You can definitely use, whatever 8-round you've got there. And also using my Paul Rubens My Lane palette, my favorite palette. I think it's so great for beginners. And I'm just going to start with my little branch coming out here. A little bit more water. I wanted a little bit of dry brush, and I swear, I think when I was single, I had a few years where I had some trees that look like this and loved them. So we've got kind of our sad little lonely tree. Sad, but to me, fun. Okay, and then I think what I'll use is an angle brush. So let me just grab that. Here we go, because it has such a great little nice chiseled edge there. And go into my water here, pick up some of that green. I'm going to use my sap green and maybe a little bit of the brighter green, like an emerald green or something, just because it looks more like Christmassy. And then let's just go in and put in some tiny little, so there's hope for this little tree. I'm known to try and save my plants when others look at them and say they look like they're dead, and what are you doing? I'm always trying to save my plants. So we're just going to add some little branches here and there. Isn't that cute? It already looks so cute, doesn't it? Maybe a little clump of green here and there, coming out here. And here we go. I just love all the holiday shows. I think they're so fun. All my kids are gone and I still watch the Disney shows, guys. Look how cute. He's got hope. And I'm really lightly pressing on my brush like that. And then I'm going to go back to my 8-round and just maybe put one little reddish, pinkish bulb here. Let's see, where should we put it? I feel like these are hanging down. One happy little bulb, just like that. I almost feel like I want to add another one, but I don't think I will. And then let's do a little blanket. Maybe it's a sienna colored blanket. And I'm going to make this quite washy. Just like that. Make it kind of coming out in the bottom here. Like you just really kind of tossed it and let it fall. Look how cute that is. It's so tiny, but I think so fun. And I'm just going to leave it with that one bulb. The only other thing I might do is just go in and add just a tiny bit of dark green to some of the, just for some interest. Like that. So I'm picking up my olive green actually. and just tapping in a few places here. I don't want to do too much. Just like that. And then maybe on the little blanket here, I'm trying to keep real simple because I want to make several of these cards. Just go in and add a little bit of brown. And there we go. I think I'm about done. Isn't that cute? If you're really good at calligraphy, this would be great to add in some calligraphy. Let me show you something really quick here. So I got these, I think these are from Lightwish. They're outliner pens. I haven't even really used them because, to be honest, I've used them in my journal. I'm not very good at calligraphy, but these are really cool. They're called an outliner pen, and they have, let's see, let's try that color, or maybe the pinkish red. Let's see what that looks like. They're kind of fun because they outline. So I'm just going to shake it to activate it. I've never used this one before. And I will press down until the ink goes down into the tip. There it goes. And then if you were good at calligraphy, we could write here, Merry Christmas. Let's see, I'm gonna try and write Merry Christmas. Although, you know what, I think I'm gonna use brown. I feel like I want a brown earthy color. Let's see what color this one is. Try that again. Now this one, it looks like I played with already. So let's see what, yeah, I kind of like that color. All right, and let's put Happy Holidays. And then right here. And these are really cool, actually, I'm seeing right now, because if you look at it close, they call them outliner pens. So it's got some metallic on the inside, and then the outside is outlined with brown. So that's kind of cool. And these are really fun. I'm going to try and make another video with these because I realized the other day you can use these on any surface. So it might be kind of fun to maybe paint some little cups or something like that. But that's all I have for you today. I'll link all my supplies down below, and have fun with this. All right, everybody, I'll see you soon. Happy painting.